Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another YZ125 build. If you guys watched the last video, which I think I uploaded, I had to take the seat cover off this one. I put it on the O2, which is sold. There's the O2 seat cover. I just chucked it. But we got an Attax Graphics ribbed seat cover for this one. We've got graphics coming for it. We've got exhaust gaskets coming for it. We've got a carb rebuild kit coming for it. New rear fender, new front number plate because this one has a hole in it, or not a hole, like 8 holes in there. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull the seat cover out, see what it looks like. I bought a heat gun too, but I'm probably not gonna record putting the seat on because I'm actually gonna pick up a bike right now. I think you'll probably see the video out by now. It's an RM85, so hopefully I buy it. Hopefully everything works out good. But yeah, I'll just take this one out, put it up against the bike, and we'll see how the bike looks. So yeah, here's the seat cover. It's not stapled on or nothing, but I think it looks pretty solid. Doesn't look too bad, but yeah, this will be blue, so it'll match in with this a lot more. And I got some 2019 OEM, what's it called? Or factory effects graphics for the front, so it looks nicer. And I'm thinking of powder coating the wheels blue. Let me know what you think. I'm also probably gonna, hubs probably go black or something. We'll see. But yeah, I'm about to head off to go pick up that bike. So next clip should be the seat cover on, but it's probably gonna be another day. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so it's like the next day or something. Here's the seat cover. It turned out half decent, but it has a couple little wrinkles up there. It might come out, not sure. That's what we're hoping. Bike is torn down. I'm probably gonna tear it down even more. Hit the frame up with some aluminum cleaner. Get all the hard to reach spots. Like that linkage is looking bad. I might have to get new bearings for it. We'll still see that. But yeah, I need to fix that because this exhaust thing leaks out so much oil. But yeah, we've got a whole lot more parts coming in. Graphics, a few number plates, rear fender's gonna be blue, stuff like that. I got a pipe thing that'll unbend this pipe, and it'll unbend the Suzuki pipe. And yeah, I'm just gonna tear this bike apart hopefully and make it look a little bit cleaner. That way when the build's finished, this will look like a nice bike. So yeah, I'll rebuild the carburetor right now. Probably not on camera. It's super easy to do. All I needed was a new needle valve thingy. It goes right there. Because that one leaks out a lot of gas out of the overflow. So yeah, I'll rebuild this carburetor real quick. We'll probably keep it off the bike or something. Maybe I'll put it back on the bike and then I'll wash it because it's got like this exhaust seal on the right there leaks a little bit of oil, so it gets on the whole bike and got somehow there, or that might be from the chain. I don't know, we'll see. We'll wash up the bike real nicely with some degreaser, block out all the holes that water could get in the engine, and yeah, shine it up. You can see on the inside it's kind of dirty. Right there, the engine's dirty. So we'll just get some aluminum cleaner to it. And yeah, alrighty, lady boys. So here's a little bit of the progress that we got going on here. All their parts are lined up here. We're gonna have to clean out, I'll probably clean out the air box again. Hit the subframe with a little aluminum cleaner. Clean up the silencer, especially that rear shock. And probably clean out that air filter because it's fairly new. It's got one ride on it, but probably. Other than that, we're gonna clean all that out. Have that kind of blocked up, but that won't hold up to a pressure washer or nothing. Only if I like just spray it on, and then I'll have to cover up with something rubber. Other than that, I'll take off this front fender. We got a new front number plate coming in. So, yeah, this one's just got a whole bunch of holes in there. And clean up those fork guards because they had graphics over them. I'll pull off this exhaust pipe because as you can tell, it's got some nasty dents on there. I've got a pipe dent remover tool thing. It was like $100, bought it. Should take these dents out. This one should come out real nice. This one, I won't see why it won't come out too bad. It's not on any of the welds. It's just right here in the center. Blow it up, bam. So yeah, we'll see how that turns out. Hopefully it wasn't a complete waste, because we still have to do it on this RM. That pipe got hit pretty bad too. But yeah, I'll probably take the exhaust off and then we'll get to work. Alrighty guys, so we got the YZ125 out. Cleaned up, engine, airbox, all that stuff. And yeah, got a lot of new parts that came in for it. I'll be assembling it throughout the days. And yeah, I don't know if you guys want to watch like 2-minute clips from every day, but I think I'm just gonna throw it all together and do a final reveal on the bike, and then yeah, we'll do something like that. Or maybe I'll just do a big time lapse on like doing the final touches, like graphics and stuff like that. We'll see. Still debating whether I should get these wheels powder coated. Might do it. Might send it. Alrighty, so we got some work in progress going on here. Still waiting for the rear fender to come in the mail. Here we got in a Kirby's front number plate. Pretty nice. Fit in right there. And yeah, I'm about to throw it on. Just thought I'd update you guys. We still got graphics coming in. I'm not putting on the fatty yet, or the expansion chamber, because I didn't get the... You guys can see all that oil that's around it. That's from the first test ride. Inside, the O-rings decided to take a dump on me. Let's show you that real quick. Here you go. Here's the O-rings, super duper crunchy. And yeah, I think this is the one that was worse. Yeah, you can see right here it was cracked. So I think that was the issue. I don't know if it's in this video yet, but the 125 pipe got all the dents out on it. Turned out really nice, actually. Still gonna have to go in with some aluminum polisher, take out all this ugly stuff with a buffing thingy-majigger. So yeah, I'll probably have my dad help me with that, because I don't know how to do it yet. We got this. Should just slide onto there somehow. Don't know. Here's the rear fender that was on the bike. It's black, so I do not like it. Here's the pipe dent removal kit. Pretty sure I broke the gauge. I had it at like 120 psi, which is not good. But it took out all the dents, so I'm fine with it. I don't really care. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. We've still got all the other parts coming in. Should be coming in within a short manner of time. So yeah, fresh exhaust gaskets. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so it is like probably a week or two later. The bike's back together. Still haven't gotten the rear fender. Graphics aren't on, but I do have them right here. Factory Effects 2019 graphics. The reason I put the bike back together was because we did a first ride on the RM85. That should be out, I don't know, probably like a week ago, I'm assuming. Not sure when I'm gonna post it. Bike ran perfect. My brother likes it, so we're debating if we're gonna keep it, because I'm trying to get him. I really don't like the way Suzuki looks, to be quite honest with you guys. So we might be getting him like a 2014 plus KX85, something like that. I saw a 2019 KX85 for $1,500. I was gonna go buy it, but it sold before I could get it. So now we're gonna put the graphics on the 125. And yeah, the bike ran pretty good too. So I don't know, I was editing all the clips this morning, and I don't think I showed you guys how I clean up the pipe. Looks pretty good. All those dents are gone. You can still see a little bit of scratches, but that's nothing. So let's put the 85 probably here, the 125 sideways. That way we can record or something like that. I don't even know what I'm doing. So yeah, just keep watching. And here we have it, guys. Factory Effects 2019 YZ125 graphics. They haven't came out with the 2020, so I just went with the 19s. And on a side note, powder coating the wheels, still gonna do it. I'm trying to find myself a brand new takeoff, just OEM. I think they're Excel, or I think the 125s have DID, and then 250s have Excel. So if I can find a newish pair of actual OEM ones, that way I don't have to powder coat them, I'll buy those and switch them out. Otherwise, I'll either buy black ones or blue ones. So we'll see. Or I'll get these powder coated. But if I'm doing that, I'll probably put maybe 3 more rides on these tires. That way I'm not taking off the tires, and then if I'm putting back another pair of tires, might as well put some fresh rubber on it. So that's what's gonna be going on with the wheels. And let me know what color hubs I should paint them, or should I get them painted? Because I'm probably gonna be really bad at powder coating, so I'll just have somebody do it for me. Or if you know how to powder coat, hit me up and we can work something out. Get me my first sponsorship. So yeah, let's get these graphics out. Throw in that time lapse, put them on the 125, and yes sir. Sneak peek on what it should be looking like. Just gotta hold it on by some stickers. But yeah, that is gonna look nice and crispy. Can already smell it. Alrighty guys, so here's the YZ125. This thing looks super clean. Love the way the graphics came out, lined up perfectly. This side and on that side, looks beautiful. Last thing we're waiting on is a rear fender. I don't know if you guys want to see a rear fender, so I think that I'm gonna cut this video right about now, or I'll throw in the rear fender and right before I do the graphics, because the graphics is what really made the bike look pretty cute. So yeah, let me know what you think. It's starting to rain again, so I'm probably gonna have to throw her back in the garage. I think the YZ turned out really nice. So yeah, thanks for watching this build, and peace.